Are you still waking up with stiff joints or feeling tired or fatigued? Or you have this dull inflammation? Doesn't matter what medications you take or what kind of diet you are following. Well, what if the problem is not what you are eating, but actually what you are drinking? We as functional medicine providers have spoken a lot about what is the best diet to reduce inflammation, but nobody is paying attention in terms of what is the right water for you to drink and how to drink it so you can reduce inflammation. Yes, 60% of your body is water, and this water plays a very significant role in reducing inflammation in your body. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about a special recipe of this water that you can create at home that has shown in research studies to reduce inflammation and also improve your health. So stick around if you still have inflammation in your body and you're looking for new natural ways of stopping this inflammation in your body. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US with advanced training in functional medicine and integrative medicine. I've helped countless number of people to get rid of inflammation and get their life back. So now let's talk about this special recipe of water which I'm talking about that can help you improve your inflammation levels. Well, it actually starts inside your body, especially inside your cells. Your body cells maintain a specific pH. And you might know it as acidic pH or alkaline pH. What happens is that when there is too much inflammation inside your body cells, then your pH of your body becomes very acidic. That means there is too much acid production happening and there is too much inflammation which starts attacking your own body and your own cells. This is where we need to improve your body's pH and make it alkaline so we can reduce this inflammation in your body. So this is where water plays a very important role in maintaining the proper pH of your body's cells. You might have heard about the concept of alkaline water, and you might also have heard that alkaline water is a new fad and a lot of celebrities use alkaline water to improve their health. But today I'm going to break it down whether research supports the claim that this alkaline water can help reducing inflammation in your body or not. Now, alkaline water isn't all about just changing pH of your water. It is also about how water interacts with your cells, with your mitochondria, with your immune system, so that the whole cell gets healthy and as well as your body inflammation markers also improve. So your typical tap water or your bottled water has a neutral pH of 7. And if you're using an RO system or reverse osmosis system, what it does is that it reduces the pH of your water because it removes all the minerals which are actually maintaining the neutral pH of your body. So if you're using a water filter, especially a reverse osmosis water filter, then it is very important to work on your water's health to make it more alkaline so that it can safeguard and improve the health of your body. Now, alkaline water has a pH of between 8 to 9. What it means is that it can actually help to neutralize the excessive acid which is being produced inside the cells of your body. But what is more important is that it has several different kinds of minerals like potassium, like magnesium and bicarbonate that helps restore the body's internal balance. And we have several research studies which proves that people whose body's pH levels are more acidic have higher inflammation markers in their blood levels and they have more symptoms of feeling tired, fatigued, brain fog, joint pain issues. But now let's see what research says. Can alkaline water improve inflammation levels in your body? So there was a research study published in 2018 in the Journal of Immunology, which concluded that drinking water mixed with baking soda, which makes it more alkaline, can possibly reduce the chances of having inflammatory conditions in your body. In this particular study, what they saw was that people's inflammation markers in their blood actually improved significantly after consuming this alkaline water. Another research study published in 2020 in the Papers in Processes found that alkaline reduced water significantly improved the antioxidant status as well as also reduced the oxidative stress markers. Now, oxidative stress is another name for inflammation in your body, and by improving your antioxidant status, the alkaline water will help in reducing inflammation in your body. And we have other clinical reports that people who have consumed for a short amount of time alkaline water have shown that can reduce their CRP levels, which is a blood marker for inflammation, as well as can also improve their uric acid levels, which is another marker of inflammation in your body. So clearly, research does suggest that drinking alkaline water can improve inflammation levels in your body. But the very important thing to know over here is that not all alkaline water are created equal. Most of the bottled version of alkaline water being sold in the stores are not bioactive. What that means is that it doesn't have all the minerals which gives this alkaline water its therapeutic potential. And plus, some of these alkaline waters have a pH which is very high, which can actually damage your body. So it is very important to know the right kind of pH which is best to consume for alkaline water in your body, so you do not do any harm and actually improve your inflammation levels. And this is where I'm sharing with you this recipe of alkaline water that you can make at home, which is pretty safe and can easily help in reducing inflammation. So now I'm going to share with you two different recipes. One is an intense recipe, or what we call as a short-term recipe, and it is only supposed to be used for short-term duration so that you can improve your body's pH, and then you use the long-term recipe which I'm going to share afterwards. So let's talk about the short-term recipe first. So for this you need 1 liter of filtered water or reverse osmosis water. Then you add to it 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. And then you can add 1/8 teaspoon of potassium bicarbonate, or if that is not available, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of potassium citrate powder. And make sure when you're buying both of these powders, you are buying high quality food grade powders, so that way they are very pure to be used for your body. And then you mix all of these ingredients in a bottle. Now, what is the best way and best time to consume this water? You drink half a liter of this in the morning and an empty stomach, and then another half a liter you do in the mid-afternoon, which is between your lunch and dinner. Once you make this water in the morning, you can store in the refrigerator so you can use it in the afternoon. Now, as I told you before, this is only a short-term recipe, so you only use it for 1 to 2 weeks and not more than that. So this particular recipe, do not make your water too much alkaline, plus it gives you the right minerals which is needed to support your inflammation levels, and that way it will help you in reducing inflammation in your body. Now, as a caution, if you have kidney diseases, or if you have high blood pressure issues, or you're taking high blood pressure medications, it is very important to consult your doctor before you do this recipe. Now, after doing this short-term intense alkaline water routine, then let me share with you a long-term routine that is going to continue to keep your body in the alkaline state. So to prepare this recipe again, you need 1 liter of water, and then you add to it 5 to 6 slices of cucumber. Then you add 2 slices of lemon or lime into it. Then you add 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves into it, and then 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt to it. Then you mix all of these ingredients into a jar, and then keep this jar in the refrigerator overnight, because you need to infuse this jar overnight in your refrigerator so that all the minerals, antioxidants, polyphenols from all of these things that you have added will get infused into the water. And then in the morning, you can strain this water into a different container. Now again, what is the best way and best time to consume this water? Consume half a liter of this water in the morning when you wake up, empty stomach, and then another half a liter you can consume it during the daytime between your lunch and your dinner time. If half a liter of water is too much for you in one go, then you can definitely divide it into smaller glasses and then consume it throughout the day also. This recipe you can consume for long-term basis, because this will keep your body in the alkaline shape once you have done the intense protocol. It also has a lot of polyphenols, lot of antioxidants, and also great minerals which is needed by your body to function better. It will keep your adrenals happy, your thyroid happy, your gut happy also. So I have shared both of these recipes with you. If you want to start with an intense therapy, you can start over there if you have too much inflammation in your body. But if you have very small amount of inflammation in your body, or if you want to start on the safer side, then start the gentler recipe first and see how your body likes it. And as I shared with you before, if you have chronic kidney disease, or if you have high blood pressure issues, or you're on medications for high blood pressure, make sure you consult your doctor before using these things. So you might have tried different kinds of diet to reduce inflammation, but you might not be paying attention to your water. And today I have shared with you eye-opening research which shows that water is very important to maintain the pH of your body, and by maintaining this proper pH, you can reduce inflammation levels. And these two recipes are easy to make at home. So try these recipe today itself at home and see what difference you feel. Now, as you know, these are not replacement for medications or supplements, and they work slowly. So it will take you around 1 to 2 weeks before you're going to start seeing some difference in the body's inflammation. And make sure you pair it with an anti-inflammatory diet and also an anti-inflammatory supplement. As you might be aware, I have made a special Inflamma-Pro supplement, which is a very strong anti-inflammatory supplement, which has turmeric, ginger, boswellia, quercetin, and a whole bunch of other antioxidants that can reduce inflammation in your body. So give this recipe and a protocol a try and let me know how you feel. And please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this great information in the future also. And also share this video with others who can benefit from it. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.